Shut up.
Nice.
Hey, let's go! Let's go! Take my brother to a fucking wheelchair. Let's do it. Elbows right to the gut. Elbows right to the gut. Drop the score to the back gut. Yeah, get the fuck out of the fucking wheelchair. Seriously, you're fucking wild. I ain't gonna do shit like that. He's all always over, too. Come on. James tries to hold him over. He's going to the rest. No, he's going to his ball. He's trying to hold him. He's going to
Something with the... He's trying to hurt him. He's trying to tackle him.
Others smarter than you.
I just gotta make sure those guys are.
No need. You just said no. He said there's no shut up.
Yeah, you shut up.
No DQ, no for anybody.
He's going to wrestle hard to it. Everything you got out of this. This drops the twisting elbow.
Alright.
It's got a hot dog. He's trying to find Grace's back.
Don't cripple us. He must already performed one miracle today.
You can wave in half so they will walk ahead.
I'm going to hell. What?
I'm taking it ahead. No. Huge rocket. Faces chainsaw down.
Big party at Dorcia's after Chainsaw wins. I got 8:30 red. Wait. I got 10:30 red at Dorcia's.
They're just taking the wind out
You
of him.
understand that? You guys are fucking...
You're a fucking moron. Seriously.
I'm off.
You know the one who wants all short
Roll
on
the back. Leave me alone, you fucking...
There's another rope. Oh! Take it on. Let it go. Hooks the rope right over the concrete floor. He smacks his head in the way of the concrete.
I'm out.
Right in the sheet.
I didn't get it.
Oh, Kozak's helping him up though. He's just trying to help him out. Oh, close to the head of the belt.
Man, my belt!
It's funky. He's got smoke. He's got tenacity.
It's bent.
He's
What did
got
you
your
do?
elbows. Oh, Steps out of the way. Oh, sweet bastard. Fucking makes some noise. This ninja lost him like he's a great 18 ninja. Call it a ninja.
Don't fall! Don't fall! It's a long round!
That's what a ninja. There's no way out.
Quit doing that!
I thought it was no DQ!
Top rope on the side.
How is this fine?
Right on his lower vertebrae. He didn't ever walk again. This is pissed off now. He's getting angry. He's gonna get hold up. Get hold of that fist. Get angry. Be itching. Tenacity. drop the shitty face in the turnbuckle.